Say, what is up, guys? I'm here with Fat Man, and Baby Prince Charming is being held because he's being a brat right now. But we are going to make some, put it in the pot, see what you got. That's what I call it. So what you do is, you just take some stuff off your, your pantry, or your shelves, your cupboards, or, whatever.
Mom.
You put it in the pot. So what I did was I put some chili. Some chili with no beans. Chili, no beans. I think it was Hormel or something. Oh no. So then I got some more chili. Yep, some more chili I found. Some what? Some chili. Some chili. And a little bit of tomato sauce. We don't want to put all that in there because put some more stuff in there. Okay, so I gotta go grab Baby Prince Charming because he got down, and I need to go grab something else. I'll be right back. All right, let's see what else can we put in here. Yeah. Let's see. Start to the bone here. Stop! Get off of there. Diced green chilies. Let's try that. Some chili sauce. What are you doing? Some refried beans. Come on, don't touch that. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 2:23.
Hey Google, tell me what it's... Okay, so we are back. Fat Man, Baby Prince Charming over there messing with stuff. What you got? See? Stop dropping stuff on the floor. Okay, so we got our two different kind of chilies in here. Chili with no beans and chili sauce. Wait, no. There's some with beans and there's some without beans. Okay, then go put my tea back. Okay, then I made a little bit of romaine noodles. I'm going to put that in the pot. We're also going to put some corn in there. So, put some corn. Put that corn in there. And stir that up right there. Yeah, buddy. Alright, I'm going to take this, put the noodles in. And then I'll be right back. What he got? He got something? What you got, man? What you got, babe? What you got? You're so cute. You found some candy? Some peppermints? Yeah. Those are probably from Christmas. They've been in that box. So stir that up. Stir that up. And I found some cheese. Put the cheese in there. Put that in there. Oh, yeah. Alright. Put that. Mom! There. Look, they just into stuff. Yeah, we did clean off one of the... Okay, shh. We did clean off one of the shelves, and well, 3 of them. And we straightened them up a little bit. Now we just have to do that one over there. Remove the deep freezer on the other side. Hey, what you got? What is that? What do you got? What do you got? Or what do you have? You have my tea. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Give me those. Nope, can I have these? Thank you. Do you have your shorts on? Oh, okay. But you gotta put your pants on. Put your pants back on. What are you doing, Prince Charming? It's just so weird that he can walk around. He's my littlest baby. Well, littlest as far as right now at the age of 1. But as far as born, he wasn't the littlest one. Okay, so I think I might put some more cheese in there. Let me see. Let's see what we've got. Do we have any more cheese? Yes, we got some cheese. All right, so I'm gonna put some more cheese in here. Hold on, I have to open this. What are you doing? He's hitting his brother with that. All right, let me put some more cheese in there. Yes, put that Kobe. Kobe Jack is one of my favorite cheeses, bro. All right, you gonna put that in there, and I gotta put my crock pot top. I just love crock pots. They're awesome. Hey, 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 hey. Because you can put it in the pot and see what you got. You can put all kind of stuff in crock pots, guys. Like, oh my gosh. They're my go-to for many different things. All right, so I'm going to get my top. I have to wash it. Because we cooked some chicken in here the other day. And it was pretty awesome. So I'm gonna put the top on this, let that cook. Right now it's on high, so shouldn't take that long. So then I have to go pick up the kids from school, and by the time I do that, we will check on our, put it in the pot and see what you got, and we will taste it and see how awesome it is. Maybe we can have some, we have some sausages or something I might like. Maybe put some, probably put them in the oven. We were going to use some for the party, but we can always get some more. So, yeah, and we will be right back later on so you guys can see. Be right back, guys. See ya. Okay, so we're going to stir this up. Yes, and that cheese on there, that looks so awesome. I forgot to press the button, guys, so I'm sorry. You guys didn't see the cheese on the top, but it looked really good. But I think it's going to taste even better. We're going to check on our sausages.